Hi there, students. Pyrrhic. Okay, Pyrrhic is an adjective, but it can also be a noun. As an adjective, we use it to talk about a victory, normally in the collocation, a Pyrrhic victory. This is where you win a victory, but the cost of winning is so great that it's not really a victory. So, for example, if you have a lawsuit against somebody, and um, it costs you all the money you have. It costs you your house to pay the lawyers, etc. And finally, you're victorious, but um, the fine for the other for the person you prosecuted is to give you £1. That's a Pyrrhic victory. You've won, but at such great a cost that it wasn't worth winning. Yeah, technically you've won, but in reality you've lost. This phrase Pyrrhic comes from ancient Greece, from a general called Pyrrhus, who won a battle against the Romans. However, so many of his troops were destroyed that it wasn't a real victory. Yeah, this is where you have a situation where both sides lose, both the winner and the loser. And this is the idea of a Pyrrhic victory, something achieved at too great a cost. So it was a Pyrrhic accomplishment. Yeah, he managed to accomplish it, but the benefit of accomplishing it was much inferior to the cost. Okay, so a Pyrrhic victory, a victory that's not worth winning because it costs you so much. Yeah, so as I said before, a Pyrrhic victory in a court case where you have to pay so much in legal fees that you're still losing. And this is the idea of Pyrrhic. Notice as well, a Pyrrhic as a noun. This is related to poetry and the meter or the rhythm of a poem. It's a certain amount of a song, but this is pretty unusual. Yeah, and that would be a Pyrrhic, an amount. But you're only going to find this in a Pyrrhic victory. Yeah, you've won or gained the thing that was in dispute, but you've lost things that were worth much, much more than this. Yeah, so your losses are greater than what you've won. We need to be careful in life as well, because and keep the objective in focus. It's like this story about the man who goes to collect a debt of £1, and he has to take the bus fare there, and it costs him £2. And he knocks on the guy's door, and the guy opens the door and says, "Here's your £1." And then the guy has to get the bus home again, which is another £2. That's a Pyrrhic victory. He's managed to make the person who owes him the money pay, but effectively at the end of the day he's lost £3. So this is very definitely a Pyrrhic victory. Okay, so Pyrrhic, yeah, formality, Pyrrhic victory. I think I would probably give this a 6 in formality. You could just about use it in an informal conversation. I think it's probably better in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing. And then, as I said, to origin, it relates to Pyrrhus, a Greek general, yeah, who lost he lost the Pyrrhic War. Well, maybe he won the battle, but at the end of the day, the cost was just so great that there was no gain at all. Okay, so Pyrrhic. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pyrrhic, or a Pyrrhic victory.